Grade 7, it's time for another Flip Classroom video. Today's topic, balance and center of gravity. There's more than one way to collapse a structure. A wrecking ball may be the most well-known method of making a building collapse, but there are other things which can cause a building to fall. For example, the pull of gravity could be strong enough to collapse a structure. Now, almost all structures can lean a bit without falling down. What is important is that the structures are stable. To design stable, less likely to tip structures, engineers need to know what features of a new object to determine whether the structures will tip over or stay balanced. What do you think makes one structure stable and the other structure unstable? Engineers have found over time that the most stable structures are ones which rest on a large area and have most of their mass close to the ground. Today, building designers make sure that buildings have a large, strong foundation, as well as areas that can support heavy machinery. This tower is actually quite stable. It has a very low level of gravity and a wide base to support its mass. But what about structures such as aircraft and rockets that need to be stable even when they are not resting on the ground? Well, the key to stability comes from an idea developed by Isaac Newton when he was studying the force of gravity between Earth and the Moon. Newton wondered if he could pretend that all the gravitational force of an object acted from one point, the center of gravity. He supposed that the center of gravity would be in the exact center of a large object like the Earth, far below the surface. Calculations using Newton's idea have shown that his idea is a good one. So if you can find the object's center of gravity, you can predict how much gravitational force will cause the object to tip or stay balanced. In addition, designers have found that a structure is most stable when its center of gravity is directly above its base. The invisible line that passes vertically through the center of gravity is called a thrust line. When the thrust line passes inside the base, then all sides of the base help to support the weight of the structure and keep it balanced. To further prevent tipping, a structure is usually fastened to a foundation that cannot rotate because it is set firmly into the earth. Here's a challenge for you, Grade 7. Take a look at the structures on the next page. Can you tell where the structure's center of gravity is? Where should the thrust line be located? Any ideas? We will discuss in class. For your homework.